Meet the all-new Lexus GS Hybrid. A lot like the old one, but new front end and the rear, no really cool looking tail outlets for the pipes.
What makes this Lexus GS unique is that it has an electric motor, but perhaps more importantly, it also has the most horsepower, just over 380, which means, in theory, it should be the fastest Lexus GS combined.
But it still uses a 3.5 liter V6. We did add the Atkinson cycle to this, still with the overall combined horsepower of 388.
Well, that's a lot, and the other one has 306, right?
306, so this puts out the performance of a 4.5 liter V8.
There's more room in the trunk, and that's because they stacked the batteries up instead of outward. So, a little bit more tushy space for me. They're still using nickel hydride batteries back here, and that's because, well, they don't want to mess with a good thing.
This year we actually took and stacked the batteries on top of each other, or the two sections on top of each other instead of spreading out this way, so we got a whole lot more trunk space.
Lexus has set its sights directly at the Germans. The big three have vehicles that compete directly with this, but they don't have a hybrid.
They do, however, have a diesel, and you pay a premium for getting the diesel. However, you also pay a premium for this hybrid. What that is, we don't know yet. We do know that it'll get over 30 miles per gallon combined.
31 combined is what we're showing, and we drove this car from LA here and we got 36 with it.
And it has a CVT, continuously variable transmission, which is always such fun. But in reality, it doesn't drone as much as some of the other ones, and off the line, it's pretty quick.
Now, Lexus didn't give us a 0 to 60 time, but I do have an iPhone and a stopwatch, Nathan. All right, let's find out how fast this will go 0 to 60 when you see an open stretch of road. Let me know, Nathan.
All right, you got it.
You haven't released prices yet, but will there be a price premium for the hybrid?
There always is a little bit for the hybrid,
yeah,
but how much we don't know yet because they haven't set prices.
Okay, 0 to 60. Let's see how fast it'll go. I'm going to start it, Nathan. 3, 2, 1, go! Let me know when you're at 60. There goes the stopwatch. How close?
Now.
Whoa, that was 6.9. I think I stopped it a little late, so I'd say 6.5.
Whew. That's not bad.
The question with the hybrid is it worth the extra money to get the hybrid drive? With this car, you're getting better fuel economy and you're getting more power.
That's true, but the other cars in this class have diesels, and you know what? They compete very closely.
Yeah, so until you can buy something else besides a hybrid or a diesel.
There's really not much else out there, frankly.
Water-powered car?
They already have water-powered cars called hydrogen.
All right, until you can buy one at your local dealership, those are your choices. As always, this is Roman.
And Nathan.
Reporting for the Fast Lane Car. See you next time.
Bamboo steering wheel has an interesting story.
Yeah, tell me about that.
And the fact that the engineers, I have a video showing them all going out to like a bamboo forest, picking out the bamboo, each bamboo tree they want to use. They'll take it back, they split it up into different sections, they glue it on top of each other, then they form it around for the wheel, and they have a machine that goes around and cuts the basic shape. They literally hand finish it by hand sanding every steering wheel.
So it's a hand-built steering wheel?
It's a hand-built steering wheel, and it is bamboo, and it's a renewable energy source.